Before the camera is powered on, insert the SD card into the camera for video storage. Install the camera onto the base. Turn on the power. After the camera is powered on, it will automatically start the self-test program. Wait for the self-test to complete. Scan the QR code on the instruction manual. Select the installation method according to the phone system used. Open the browser. Follow the interface prompts to install the app. Allow app installation permissions. Complete the installation. Open the app. Permission to agree to the user agreement and allow the app to use it. Add devices to the LAN. Connect the device wirelessly. After adding the device successfully, you can watch real-time video on the LAN. Now you can remotely watch and monitor the device by placing it on the network. Add 2.4G Internet-enabled wireless. Check to see if the password is correct. Click OK. Automatically connect after the device restarts. Connecting. After connecting successfully, click to enter. In this interface, you can set the image direction, adjust the camera direction through 360 degrees, enable night vision mode, select video clarity, and other operations. Please format the memory card for the first use. Click Settings to enter the settings page.